Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to dance in League of Legends. So in order to dance in a game in League of Legends, firstly you need to get into a game. After getting into the game, there are two methods you can dance in League of Legends. Firstly, it is Control plus 3. So if you press Control plus 3, it will make your champion dance in the game. So there is another method you can make your champion dance, which is by entering /dance in your chat menu. In order to do that, press enter, which will open your chat menu. Now in here, press /dance, then enter. Now as you can see, your champion is dancing. So this is essentially how you can make your champion dance in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.